So guys, this is a normal Android phone I have turned into a Google Maps API. So I can basically tell the phone to find a place on the Google Maps and give me the results into a Google Sheet. So it's triggerable with webhook, meaning it is basically an API endpoint, a free API endpoint for searching Google places. So let me bring up the AI in my studio. This whole project was built in the studio. You can find the link in the description. And try to trigger this project with a random place. I'm gonna just tell the AI to try to trigger it with a random place, but first I'm gonna run the project on my phone, obviously. Okay, it should be running on this phone, and let's try to trigger the project. And boom, it's searching for the place. It clicks the first result with the AI. It goes through the whole place with this AI extract from screen block, and then it adds the result into this Google Maps field, into this Google Maps sheet. Okay, so this is how this is what it extracted. This is what we search for. This is the real name, the address, the website, and basically all of the information. So let me show you this isn't fake. I will copy the exact body payload into Regbin, where we can test the REST API, and let's send it again. It will go to Google Maps again. It will click the first result. It will go through it and it will export the data. Boom. Very simple, like this. This time it actually selected this sponsored result, so that's why it's a different result. But we could also prompt the AI to instead ignore sponsored results, right? So that would be how we could do that. So if you have any app in mind you would want us to extract data from into your Google Sheets or into your CRM or anything, go to MationX.com/services and contact us there. We will create the project for you. Or if you want to build it yourself, go to MationX Studio. The link is in the description. There will be a free trial. The AI actions are measured by these sparks right here. If you have a free account, you will get 200 of them for free. So you can test it out. And thank you for watching.